how to add and remove any website to your home screen on any iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to your Safari browser right here. You want to tap on it. And then on any website that you want to add, you want to tap on the share button. And then you want to scroll down until you see this add to home screen button. And you want to click on it. And you can also adjust or customize. And then tap on add. And there you go. It will appear right there. Or if you are on an older iPhone, so after you tap on share button on Safari, at the very bottom, you wanna slide to the right like this until you see add to home screen button. You will find it. And if it doesn't show up, number one, please keep in mind that this will only works if you are using Safari browser. So if you, for example, using Google Chrome or Firefox, it will not work. Please use Safari. And the second one, if you using Safari but couldn't do it, please try to force close the Safari application like that. And then please restart your device as your iPhone will clear your cache data and does other system optimizations. And to remove it, you can just long press on the website and then choose on delete bookmark. Or if you doesn't have this delete bookmark, please try to restart your device and please comment down below if you still doesn't see it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.